world, business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and unsound. The world requirements a substantially more steady and dependable cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning maintainability and versatility. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the mixture agreement system of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has additionally been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the remarkable highlights of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Gigantic exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in deductively created stages. Numerous cryptographic forms of money neglected to review these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has progressively swarmed the standard awareness and built up some forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. This special quality causes the whole convention to bring security, particularly with no significant stage-arranged picture changes. Shipping away at verification of stake causes Tezos to bring the upside of lesser exchange charges to the table. In the DPoS framework, where stakers are called pastry specialists can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations get disseminated to bread cooks to wallets that have assigned tokens to the dough puncher. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval process in the event that they hold not exactly the expected sum to turn into a full pastry specialist. Tezos cost forecast has really somersaulted somewhat recently, thoroughly changing the pattern from the outset towards the year's end. XTZ has had a noteworthy excursion all through. All said and done, XTZ pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry XTZ to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital currency. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for crypto opponents of XTZ. The last year was moving with energy to express buy to, predominantly because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Notwithstanding, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments loaded with positive thinking. There could be a conjecture of supernatural occurrences in the realm of digital forms of money like XTZ. There could be sorcery temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. By 2022, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.7. Most extreme cost $1.97. Lease cost $1.53. Tezos cost conjecture toward the finish of 2022 may be around $1.65, as indicated by late long-haul conjectures. The cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then, at that point, be valued at $48.18 in 2027. And $168.68 in 2030. In light of our Tezos cost conjecture, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The most extreme cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. The Guaj Tezos cost toward the finish of 2022 is $5.64. In 2022, we hope to see $5.24 per 1 Tezos. In the principal half of 2023, the Tezos cost will move to $6.93. In the final part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $8.49. In view of our estimates, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $12.151. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 217.76%. Tezos value forecast, 2022 to 2026. Contending and propping in the extreme business sectors. XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as a computerized or virtual resource with no coordinated factors or state borders limitations. One digital currency won't show homage focal government pressures or be anchored in deficient and administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical transformation has shown a signal to financial backers as XTZ. And thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it workable for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. Tezos saw the potential chance to remove power from the establishments and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally. Interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide cash. With a really worldwide money, opportunities for worldwide monetary development and social correspondence are unending. Upheld by an upgraded decentralized accord and built-up network, XTZ means to offer a well-established benefit to its clients by circulating its prizes instrument. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater dependability, all with a soaring rate. No different either way. This vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's primary organization, endeavoring to influence the world guide of innovation. The whole biological system guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered practical benefits. XTZ works with gains and assembles trust. XTZ empowers accommodation and sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities. When the designers join the detachment, they are profited from a tremendous scope of freedoms, incorporating sending DApp and Tezos net, developing their organizations dramatically, getting forward movement as powerhouses and naturally suspected pioneers. Tezos Value Expectation 2022. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital currency cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all limits throughout the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few lazy patterns, it would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by hardy shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The brains cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital currency. Consequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to get a move on with different coins to show up at a $6-$6.80 cost. Financial backers, in any case, need to keep an eye out for any unexpected variables. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets. Tezos is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions, scaling $8. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning positive thinking is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, principally because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a super mother load for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant opposition level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another unequaled high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Almost certainly. A simple to utilize Tezos is great. It is more practical and promising when it is not